warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Saadah and I'm from TBIE. In this video, I will explain about education in Indonesia, especially of the problems and further solutions. Education. Education is the pillar of every modern society. Being able to read, write, and have the access to learning opportunities in today's world is a necessity, not a luxury, that should be available to everyone. Our nation has the fourth largest education system in the world. Yet, in an education report of 15 nations, Indonesia ranked last. According to the PISA 2018 worldwide ranking, Indonesia is in 71 out of 77 countries. The average score of math, science, and reading is in below 450. That's too bad. Now, let's find out what is the problems that makes Indonesia's education in the last ranked. One of the problems is in education system. The first, the government changed the curriculum constantly without considering the significant difference. It makes the implementation of curriculum always requires of a trial and trial, so it will impact for the students and the teachers. As a victim, the students really confused about the regulation of the new curriculum. And of course the teacher, they have to change and recreate model of learning and the syllabus. Second, our national curriculum is still using a textbook as our main reference. However, most of the students are preferring learning through the internet, which is something that's still being considered by the government. Third, our national curriculum still uses a system that students must be able to master many subjects. Of course, it burdens students by the school assignments and many homeworks. Finally, their knowledge about the subjects were not deep and still being confused. So, here is the solutions of education system. First, the government should consider about the potential of every student. It is because the students is the subject that will perform of the education system in Indonesia. Second, learning with internet. The government should allow the students to use internet when they are learning in the school. It is because in the reality, all the students has their own way to find research that fits them perfectly. So using internet when they are learning is more effective than a textbook. Third, instead of take many subjects, the government should divide the subjects into 5 until 7 subjects that will be taken by the students in every semester. It will make the students become deeply to understand the materials. Another problem is the teacher's performance. First, according to the results of the National Teacher Competency Exam, where the average performance of the teachers is 53%, whereas the government is targeting an average score of 55%. It proves that Indonesian teachers are trained and instructed to teach from a designated curriculum and follow specific learning guidelines. Second, there is so many teachers in Indonesia who teach the different subject of their education background. It will make them difficulty to sharing the new materials for their students. So, here is the solution of the teacher's performance. First, instead of talking the subject in front of the class, teachers or lecturers should use sharing method to their students. by sharing the subject with the students and give them space to reveal their understanding about the materials. I believe it will make the students think critically about their materials and also they more courageous to express their opinions. Second, when teachers apply their jobs, they should consider their education background. And for the schools, they should select the teacher based on their education background. The last problem is the responsibility. As we know, the access to getting an education is much easier now than it was before. However, the result of program for the International Student Assessment Examinations in 2015, 42% of 15 years old Indonesian students failed to achieve minimum standards. It shows that many students don't realize that education is important to their life. Their responsibility to study as the students is very low. For that problem, as a student, I know education in Indonesia really concerned. We should take our responsibility as a student to study. And of course, parents and teachers should give the insight and motivation for their children. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.